General analysis of urine. Urine analysis is one of the important methods of testing the functions of kidney. For general analysis of urine, the quantity of urine delivered to analysis must at least 15 milliliter. The color of urine has different shades of yellow. The urine must be transparent. The smell of urine must be non-specific. The pH of the urine is acidic and the pH is less than 7. Specific gravity of urine is 1.018 or more servings in the morning. And there is absence of albuminuria. The glucose, ketone bodies, bilirubin, and hemoglobin must be absent in the urine. The amount of urobilinogen in the urine is about 5 to 10 mg per liter. The red blood cells in the urine under microscope is 0 to 3 in the field of view for women and 0 to 1 in the field of vision of men. For leukocyte in the urine under microscope, 0 to 6 in the field of view of women and 0 to 3 in the field of vision for men. Epithelial cells in the urine under microscope is 0 to 10 in the field of vision. Cylinder, salt in the urine, bacteria, mushrooms, and parasites must be absent in the urine. Sample collection and preparation of the general analysis of urine. For a general analysis of the entire portion, collect morning urine after a careful washing the genitals. Crockery for collection of urine for analysis should be clean and dry. In poorly washed crockery, urine becomes cloudy and quickly acquires an alkaline reaction. Keep the urine prior to the general analysis can be no more than 1.5 hours. Sample collection and preparation of the general analysis of urine. Investigation of the physical properties of urine. The amount of urine. The amount of urine needed for a general analysis must be at least 50 milliliter. Color of urine. Normally, urine is yellow color. Saturation of yellow color of urine is dependent on the concentration of dissolved in other substances. If polyuria bleeding anymore, so the urine is lighter and vice versa. Color changes when taking medications such as salicylates or use of certain foods such as beetroot. Pathological change in the color of urine is hematuria with type of mid slopes. Bilirubinemia, the color of beer. Hemoglobinuria or myoglobinuria, which is black color. Leukocyuria, milky white color. Transparency of urine. Normally, urine is completely transparent. The turbidity of urine due to the presence of large number of its cellular precise formations, salts, mucus, bacteria, and fat. The smell of urine. Normally, the smell of urine is blurred, non-specific. The decomposition of urine in the air or bacteria inside the urinary bladder, for example, in the case of cystitis, there is an ammonia smell. As a result of putrefaction of urine containing protein, blood or pus, for example, measures for bladder cancer, urine becomes smell of rotten meat. In the presence of ketones in the urine has a fruity smell of urine is reminiscent of the smell of rotting apples. The reaction of the urine. The normal reaction is weakly acid urine. Changes pH can be seen as a result of meat diet, acidic urine, plant diet, alkaline. Specific gravity. or relative density of urine. In a normal morning urine sample should have weight in the range of 1.008 to 1.026 joule. Chemical study of urinary. Albuminuria. In a normal protein in the general analysis of urine is no or less than 0.002 gram per liter. Urinary protein excretion is called proteinuria. Glucose in urine. In normal glucose general analysis of urine is absent. The concentration of urine in a single urine sample expressed in millimole per 1 liter. The appearance of glucose in the urine depends either on its concentration in the blood or from the filtration and reabsorption of glucose in the nephron. Rise in blood sugar higher than 9.9 millimole per liter is the appearance of glucoseuria, overcoming the so-called renal threshold. At the normal blood sugar, glucoseuria appears if violations of the processes of reabsorption renal glucoseuria. In addition, distinguish physiological and pathological renal glucoseuria. Physiologic glucoseuria may occur with food rich in carbohydrates when the body is temporarily loses the ability to absorb sugar, elementary, followed by emotional stress, emotional, or certain drugs, caffeine, corticosteroid. Ketone bodies in urine. Normally, ketone bodies general analysis of urine are absent. Bile pigments in urine. Bile pigments in the urine may appear bilirubin and urobilinogen. Normally, bilirubin in urine generally absent. Content of urobilinogen is 5 to 10 mg per liter. Microscopy of urinary sediment. The precipitate of urine is divided into organized, which are the organic elements such as erythrocytes, leukocytes, epithelial cells, and cylinders, and informal, which are the elements of inorganic crystals and amorphous metallic salts. Red blood cells in the urine. Hematuria. It is blood in urine. Normal erythrocytes are 0 to 3 in the field of view for the woman and 0 to 1 red blood cell in the field of view for man. Anything above that it is hematuria. Leukocytes in urine. Leukocytes in the urine of healthy person are in a small number. The rate for men is 0 to 3 in the field of view, and for women and children is 0 to 6 in the field of view. Epithelial cells in urine. Normally, a general analysis of urine have less than 10 epithelial cells in the visual view. Cylinders in the urine. Normally, a general analysis of urine cylinders are absent. Cylinder is a protein coagulated in the renal tubule. Unorganized sediment. Unorganized sediment of urine is made up of salts precipitated in the form of crystals and amorphous masses. For example, if acidic urine detected uric acid, urates, oxalates. With alkaline urine, calcium phosphate is detected. Bacteriuria. Normally, bacteria in general analysis of urine are sterile. Under the bacteriuria, understand one or more bacteria in the urine. Fungi by Candida. The general analysis of urine have no fungi by Candida. References. Thank you so much for your attention.